It can be hugely frustrating to get back to your vehicle to find out that it's been dinged or scratched by the next car, and the person who's driven away thinks they got away with it. The situation is a lot more straightforward if you're on a normal road and the driver is still there, and they drive away and fail to give you the details. This is a classic hit and run, failure to give you the details as they are required to do by law. It's section 170 of the Road Traffic Act 1988 that has two very important provisions that require drivers to stop and to exchange details. Subsection 2 provides that the driver of a mechanically propelled vehicle must stop and, if required to do so by any person having reasonable grounds for requiring, give his name and address, and also the name and address of the owner and the identification marks of the vehicle. While subsection 3 provides that if for any reason the driver of the vehicle does not give his name and address under subsection 2, he must report the accident. And per subsection 4, any person who fails to comply with either subsection 2 or 3 is guilty of an offence. There are of course other provisions within this section, but I will link that in the description below. In short, drivers that have any kind of collision and someone has reasonable grounds for requiring your name and address, that is because they might want to sue you for the damage, you're required to give them those details. But if you fail to give those details, you must report the accident. So what happens in the situation where the driver is not there, but you've had someone reverse into your vehicle and then drive away? You come back to your vehicle, no other driver around, but you find a dent in your vehicle. Well, very often, if you're on, let's say, a supermarket car park, they will have CCTV, hopefully, which covers the incident and the other driver or the other vehicle reversing or driving into your vehicle. That being the case, the store may give you access to the CCTV footage, but they may also obscure the number plate of the other vehicle. However, if you report this to the police, they must disclose it to the police without any such redaction. The police should, although they might require some encouragement to do so, they should follow this up and obtain the name and address of the registered keeper of the vehicle. Following on from that, of course, you should be able to contact them with regards to repairing the damage. So that's just a brief overview of what happens if someone's reversed into your vehicle on a car park. It's not the end of the matter. You can pursue it, although it may take some effort. So, of course, it depends on the damage and how much you really want to get this sorted. So please remember to like the video if you like these short tips, share it with someone that will find it useful. Remember to subscribe, and thanks for watching.